of the whole culture of ticking things off. And I've got a little rap which comes next called Tick It Off. She said, Jude, I hope you maximise your tick to job ratio. Just write a list of jobs and then tick each one. She said, break each job up into its component parts, list all of those, give each one of those a tick box, more ticking for your job, more satisfaction. We went to breakfast, and on the table next to them was a couple, and they were going through in minute detail everything they were going to do that day. As they finished, they looked at each other and they went, oh, yeah, I think we've done that. Have you finished your breakfast? Yeah, I've finished my breakfast. Excellent, good. I ticked off breakfast. How cool is that? So, you need a little bit of attitude, but basically when I give you the signal, which I'll explain in a minute, you just go, tick it off. Let's try. Tick it off. The second part of the piece will celebrate left-handed ticking. So it goes like this, we just add a little bit on to what we already do. We go like this, tick it off to the left. That's how you're up for it, you especially. Welcome to Saturday, your venerated day of no rest. Put on your production hat and worn out vest, because being not a work day, there's a longer list of jobs to be done, and on days you're in the office. Some are tiresome, because it signifies you're flying through your task, you're kicking your to-do list arse. Yes, you are now. So check the bed for bugs, peel the spuds, let's get out the raw plugs. Change the pillowcase, buy a replacement gerbil for the girl next door. Something the radiator, come on, they'll do it later, no satisfaction freighter. And sort recycling, and buy some garden string, you're the odd job king. Are we ready? I thought your dad was the only one who still glued things these days. And now the bikes need bending, yeah. And the post needs sending, and I'm afraid that this is the slightly abrupt ending to the song. Tick it off to the left. Woo! Anyone else? What the experience? Oh, go on.